Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn one more lesson, that is importance of teeth. In previous lesson you learnt about your organs and sense of organs. Here you are going to learn about importance of teeth. In this lesson, know the importance of teeth, types of teeth and their function, and develop the habit of cleaning your teeth. All these things in this lesson you are going to learn. A rabbit and a dog were friends. Okay, rabbit and dog are the friends. One day they were walking near a pond. Rabbit told, "Oh, the grass has grown in plenty. I will eat quickly." Dog told, "Oh, see there, a large piece of flesh. I will bite it and eat." Okay, rabbit is what told rabbit, "I will eat grass." But dog told, "I will eat a piece of flesh." The rabbit was surprised to see the dog tearing the flesh. Rabbit told, "Oh, my friend, how quickly you tear the flesh." Dog told, "Look at my teeth, they are so sharp, but I can't eat grass like you." Okay, what rabbit told? Rabbit was surprised because dog is eating the flesh so quickly and asked the question, "Oh friend, how quickly you eat the flesh?" The answer told by dog is, "My teeth are so sharp, that's why I eat so quickly, but I can't eat like you, how you are eating grass." Okay, rabbit is laughing. "Look at my incisors, these help me cut the grass." Incisor means front teeth. Okay, dog told, "It's true, just as my canines help me tear the flesh." Okay, canines. Canines means you heard about ಕೋರೆ ಹಲ್ಲು, those ಹಲ್ಲು, ಆ ಹಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? canines. You have heard the conversation of the dog and the rabbit. Now stand in front of a mirror and observe your teeth. Okay, you stand in front of your mirror and observe your teeth. Where is incisors teeth are there, canines teeth are there. Look at your friend's teeth, count how many teeth are there. Are all the teeth alike? Observe the front teeth. Okay, if you can't stand in front of mirror means look at your friend's teeth and count whether all the teeth are same or not. Observe these teeth, we will call it as incisors. Okay, these are broad, they have sharp edges, these are incisors. Okay, how many incisors do you have in your mouth? How many incisor teeth you have? Normally 8 to 10, normally 8 incisors. Okay, upper 4, down 4 teeth. Incisors help to cut the food items. Then what is the function of incisor teeth? Means incisors help to cut the food items. Then next, these type of teeth, what we will call it as canines. Observe the next to the incisor teeth in your friend's mouth. Okay, or else you are standing in front of mirror means observe the next to the incisor teeth. These are a little long and sharp. Okay, aren't they? These are long compared to incisor teeth and sharp. Okay, these are canines teeth. Then what is the function of canines teeth? Means canines help to tear the food. Okay, function of canines teeth means canines help to tear the food. The canines in dogs, tigers and other carnivorous animals are very long and sharp. You know about what is carnivorous animals? Carnivorous animals means they will eat another animals. chew a piece of coconut, in which part of the mouth do you chew? If one piece of coconut you will take in the mouth, then from which part of the teeth you will chew? Chew means agyodu. The teeth which are in the part of jaws like this are molars. This type of teeth we will call it as molars. Molars means davade hallu. Observe the molars in your friend's mouth. They are big and flat. Then what is the function of molars teeth means? Molars help to grind the food. And one activity for you, observe the mouth of old people in your house. Grandmother or grandfather there means observe those people teeth who have lost their teeth. Observe which type of food items they eat and how they eat. In your house, your dadi or dadai there means observe their teeth. Okay, which teeth are fallen, then which type of food they are eating, you have to observe. And another, Karim is a 7 months old baby. Okay, Karim is a 7 months old baby. Now his teeth are appearing. Normally in children from 7 months onwards teeth will appear. In some children's 10 months, 11 months onwards teeth will appear. Before 1 year birthday, at least 2-3 teeth will comes. These are milk teeth. First appearing teeth, what we will call it as milk teeth. John is 8 years old. 8 years means normal at your age, 2nd or 3rd standard. His teeth have started falling and in their place new teeth appearing. Okay, when you born, after 7 months teeth will appear. Then next 7 to 8 years the teeth will falling down and next new teeth will appear. Now John has 20 teeth. Now Suresh is 35 years old. He has 32 teeth. Okay, total how much teeth we have? 32 teeth. But in this your age, that means 8 to 10 years, how much teeth you have? 20 teeth. Now Rangaji is 70 years old. Some of our teeth have fallen. They will not grow again. Okay, in your house also some old people are there, your grandmother or grandfather, their teeth also will fallen and will not come again. One homework for you, count your teeth and write. In your mouth how many teeth you have? Normally 20, and write. Count your teeth that have fallen and write. Till now how much teeth are fallen and write. Next question, the total teeth that you have. Okay, total how much teeth you have to write. One important thing, the teeth that appear in children of 1 year to 6 years are milk teeth. They start falling from the age around 7 to 8 years. After falling, new teeth will appear in their place. These are permanent teeth. Then what are permanent teeth means? After 7 to 8 years, teeth will fallen and new teeth will appear. These teeth are permanent teeth. If the permanent teeth fall, they will not grow again. So be careful after at this age only. Okay, be careful, not allow to fall the teeth. If your teeth will fall, don't come again. So we have to protect the permanent teeth. An adult person has totally 32 teeth. Okay, adult person has how much teeth? 32 teeth. Among them 8 are incisors, 4 are canines and 20 are molars. If in your exam the question may ask in adult person, how much teeth have? 32 teeth. In that 32, 8 are incisors, 4 are canines and 20 are molars. Small children have totally 20 milk teeth. I think you also have 20 milk teeth only. And in this age, the teeth will fallen from your mouth. Kanti is studying in class 3 in your classmate only. She was very fond of sweets. She was eating chocolates and other sweet items every day. She liked to eat sweet. She was eating chocolates and sweets every day. She was lazy too. She did not brush her teeth properly. Okay, she ate everything sweet, that is chocolate and some other sweet items, but she could not brush her teeth properly. She did not wash her mouth after eating sweets. See how much lazy she is. Gradually food got stuck between the teeth and foul smell started to come from her mouth. If you also one day you will can't brush, means your mouth also starting smelling. Smell will come from your mouth also. Teeth started to decay. This caused pain in her teeth, bleeding and pus in gums. She did not brush it, that's why teeth will started decay. Okay, this caused bleeding and pus in gums. Her father took her to a dentist who will treat the special for teeth. Those doctors, we will call it as dentist. Okay, the dentist examined her teeth and told, Kanti, you are not brushing your teeth daily after eating food. The doctor told suddenly, you are not brushing your teeth daily after food. The food particles get stuck between the teeth. If you not brush your teeth, the food particles will stuck between the teeth. You are also not cleaning your teeth immediately after eating sweets. So 3 of your teeth have decayed. Okay, 3 of our teeth were fallen down. There is a foul smell in your mouth due to she couldn't brush it. That's why her mouth was smelling. To remove 2 of them, okay, 3 are fallen and 2 of them, you have to remove the teeth. I will treat the other teeth suitably. After removing the teeth, I will put the other teeth, the doctor told. What should Kanti have done to save her teeth? You have to write the answer. You listen, no? What she done? She went to the dentist specialist and doctor told 3 are fallen and 2 I have to remove and I will put the other teeth. The doctor told. And then what is helpful for teeth for us means teeth help to increase beauty of the face, isn't it? If any teeth are fallen, those people face will not look like a beautiful. For example, hold pupil. Teeth help us to pronounce correctly. Try to pronounce without helping of teeth is not impossible. Here some pictures are there. Which one is correct? Put right mark, and which one is wrong? Put wrong mark. Observe these activities. Put right mark to the right one and wrong mark to the wrong one in the boxes. She is brushing, that is right. She is not brushing, she is eating on the bed, this is wrong. He is also brushing, put right mark. He is eating, put wrong mark. She is cleaning her tongue and even teeth, mouth, yes, correct it is. He is also brushing, correct. Some important points. Eat hard food items such as raw carrot, sugar cane, dry coconut, etc. Once a while, the teeth and gums are exercised and remain healthy. Okay, you have to eat at least one time in a year sugar cane. Okay, that is very helpful for your teeth. Drinking milk will also help the teeth strong. You have to drink milk every day while sleeping. If you have any problem with the teeth, consult the dentist immediately. If there is a dentist in your locality, get information about the cleaning of teeth. At last, one thing is there. See what is there. Teeth, the incisors to bite vegetables and fruits. Sharp and long canines to tear the sugar cane. Just behind them are molars to grind the food really soft. I know you help one and all to chew their food and eat it up. Okay, understood? In our mouth, how many teeth are there? Types of teeth, and teeth are different from age to age. At last, in adult age, total 32 teeth are there. After aging, teeth will fallen and those teeth will not come again. Okay, understood all these things? Okay, children, thank you.